Funny land, really. That's starting to get warm again. Yeah. It just looks so miserably harsh.
Sunday nights, 7 to midnight on 97.1 The Point.
Mickey better than Findlay Cadillac in the Valley Auto Mall. From the exceptional crossover XT4 to the superb CT sedan and Escalade, the highest standards in automotive craftsmanship are found at FindlayCadillac.com to place your reservation. If you're thinking Cadillac, think Findlay Cadillac in the Valley Auto Mall. It's hot, 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 and so are the cars at Philly Acura. It's the summer of performance, and Acuras are available at incredible prices. Right now, it's the top safety pick SUV running inside markaway safety. The 2024 NPX with its 290 horsepower and 12.3-inch HD center display.
GPS signal lost.
And in your home. As the weather starts to warm up, keep those creepy crawlers outside by calling A1 Garage for a service today. Be smiling today.
Registered to win tickets in ESPN's Fan Zone, sponsored by Weststar Credit Union, and
for 3 years at Philly Acura in the Valley Auto Mall or online at PhillyAcura.com. Welcome by Myers Acura Financial Services, Excellence Tax After License Base expires 9/5/2023. These are details.
49 miles.
If your garage has become a anxiety, irritability, or weight gain, the early bird special is only $49.99 to become a non-smoker. That's right.
Sheds
Seminars
of Dolan
Tuesday, July
Springs.
25th at the Santa Fe
American
Station
made
Hotel and
sheds.
Casino in Las Vegas.
Just taking photos of these mailboxes, quite interesting actually. All the mailboxes for the folk that live up in the dispersed township of Dolan Springs.
Here's a proper American pickup truck here in front of us.
Grocery store.
Yeah, grocery for double market. Is it open?
I reckon. Got the Family Dollar.
Oh, that one looks better.
There's the trading post, jewellery and the boutique and turquoise cellar. I'll just stop here at the dollar store to get maybe a sandwich, some more cold drinks. Probably not beer and wine. This is lunch, takis and butterfingers.
And M&M's at Low.
Jalen. And there'll be more of these kind of drinks.
Hot diggity dog.
Hot diggity dog.
Large sub turkey. This is the place, is not those places. These are very big. This would be quite a nice picture. That would be just holding right there, not a mile ahead, because
It's the upside bit of it.
that was the number best.
München, Stuttgart.